Day 1B of the February 2011 Macau Poker Cup Red Dragon event has just commenced at the Grand Lisboa Casino. Starting stacks are at 15,000 in chips, with blinds going up every 40 minutes. Among the field today are PokerStars Team Pro Asia members Brian Huang and Selena Lin, along with other Team Pro members Peter de Coupier, Marcel Lusk, and Dale Phillip. MPCC champion Devin Tang is also here. Notable Taiwan players in the field are Marcus, Kenny Xu, both of whom in final table at an event each year at this Macau Poker Cup. Marcus, on his first trip to Macau, playing his first ever live event, came in 8th place to take home Hong Kong dollars 12,800, and while Kenny, a slightly more seasoned player, placed 4th in the KO Bounty, taking home 32,000. With over 250 players entered today and more still coming, it looks like we're seeing a record-breaking number of just under 500 players. We wish all the players good luck and look forward to seeing them in the upcoming Day 2 later tonight.